In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Claude Code in Antigravity. So first of all, you can just come to the Google Antigravity site, or you can just come to Google and search Antigravity, and it should be the first one here. And once you're on this page, you can just click on download, and then you can download it for whichever operating system that you're using. I'm using Mac OS, so I would just go with this. Click on save. I'm going to open the folder, click on this, and then drag this into the applications. And then you'll see Antigravity being installed. So when it's done, we can close this window, come to applications, and let's go to Antigravity here. Click on open. And there we have Antigravity. So we can set this up. So let me expand this. Let's click on next. We can start fresh, click on next. You can choose your theme type. I'll just go with dark modern. And let's go with review driven development. Click on next. And let's click on next. And let's go ahead to sign in with Google. Click on verify. Enter your code and click on next. And then we're done. Let's close this window and let's come back to the Antigravity. Click on sign in again. Sign in. Open Antigravity. And then you should see setting up your account. I would check the first box and then click on next. And then this is what you'll see. Now next we are going to install Claude Code. So we are going to come here, click on this icon, which is extensions, and search for Claude. It should be the first one, and then we can click on this. You want to make sure that it is from Anthropic, so it's the official app. So after you make sure, we can just click on install. Trust publisher and install. After it is installed, we can close this. So let's double click here. And then click on this Claude icon. And then you'll see Claude Code show up. And then we can go ahead to delete the agent icon here. And then I can adjust this. So that is how you install Claude Code in Antigravity.